Considering 8 to be the lucky number in Chinese tradition, after the great success of Mi 6, Xiaomi has launched Mi 8 in China. So let's talk about the disadvantages of Mi 8. Before starting this video, you can hit the subscribe button because I keep making many awesome contents like this. Majority of us loves to listen to the music using headphones. But the lack of headphone jack feels a bit annoying in Mi 8. Even if you can use the adapter, you can't use your headphones while charging. Though dual GPS is present in Mi 8, the GPS signal quality is not up to the mark. Xiaomi might address this problem through a software update, but still it is there. Though optic image stabilization is present in Mi 8, the absence of EIS makes a lot difference as compared to flagship devices which possess both OIS and EIS. Absence of waterproofing is a major letdown for many users, as many of the flagship devices including OnePlus 6 comes with a waterproofing technology. Mi 8 is Xiaomi's flagship phone, but Xiaomi has not introduced wireless charging as seen in many other flagship devices. So that's it for this video guys. It's Prajwal signing off. Thank you.